Reaction now to the judge's opinions from Amanda Knox's mother, Edda Mellas. Edda, good morning.
Good morning.
Before we get to the findings of that report, I want to ask you about Amanda. She's been in prison now 3 months since the conviction, a lot longer than that, all told, and you speak with her every Saturday. How is she holding up?
You know, when I talked to her on Saturday, she sounded really good. She has her up minutes and her down times, you know, as we all do. It's horrible being locked up for something you didn't do, but she's hanging in there.
Are you encouraged or disappointed by what you heard the judges believed about her conviction?
I'm actually really encouraged about what we're hearing. I mean, I knew it was, you know, it's going to be hard to try and justify, you know, the wrongful conviction of somebody that's innocent, and so we knew that there would be huge holes. And there's, you know, in the report itself, there's our lawyers are seeing large amounts of things that they can fight in the appeal. So that's really encouraging.
What is the number one thing that you think bodes well for her appeal in that report?
You know, it's hard to say. It's 427 pages long in Italian, and her lawyers just got it. And so I've only heard bits and pieces. So I really can't say, you know, what one specific piece is, but I know that the fact that they're, you know, they'll say they contradict themselves. At one point in the document, they say one thing, and later on, they say something that's totally opposite to that. And that's not allowed under Italian law. It has to be very clear. And the fact that they're bringing into this document, they bring in things that were not even discussed in court. I mean, you can't, you know, judge somebody by things that were not brought up in court, and we know that that's in this document.
But Edda, you know well that the courts that will hear this appeal are in the same country, part of the same system that you have told me many, many times failed Amanda to begin with.
Yeah.
What lessons did you learn from the trial that you will apply in the appeal to try to make it fair?
You know, that's always been our struggle, and we just have to keep hoping that this will get fixed. We have been told by Italians, and not even our lawyers, but other, you know, Italians, that the appeal system there works. It's meant to overturn wrongful convictions like this. This will get fixed, and so we just have to keep hoping that will happen.
Edda Mellas, as always, thanks so much for your time.
Thank you.